Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Teardown PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Teardown game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your control settings, go ahead and click on Options. Then from the Options page, click on Input at the very end. And now this will show you all of the control options that you can change. In order to change your keyboard layout, just click on whichever button you wish to reassign the control of. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to press your desired new key. Just press the new key that you wish to set, or you may also press the escape button to cancel. Just follow this step and modify all of your buttons that you wish, and then you can just go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue to play your game with your customized settings, and if at any point you wish to change it back, you can once again follow the same steps. Go into Options and Input at the very end. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Teardown game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.